Hello everyone, welcome back to another useful and informative video. In this video, uh, about I will discuss how to fix camera showing black screen on iPhone and iOS 17 and 16 after update. So do not waste any time. I will request of you. Subscribe and share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for new tech video for notification, so do not wasting any time. So first solution is force the restart iPhone. So volume up and volume down button and press the power button, and you will be click on slide to power off, and then you will be show the appearance of Apple logo, and your mobile will be restart and your problem will be fixed. Number first solution is not working in this issue. Number second solution, reset iPhone setting. So open the setting and then click on general and then click on transfer or reset, and then reset all setting, and then you are uh, given a mobile passcode, and then your problem will be fixed, and your problem will be not fixed. The second solution, and the third solution, you would be a 5 or 4 times flashlight on your iPhone, turn on, turn off, turn on, turn off. Third time, turn on, turn off. Fourth time, turn on, turn off. Five time, turn on, turn off, and your problem will be fixed on your iPhone. Hopefully, guys, you just know the all uh, steps in this issue, and your problem will be fixed. So if any problem, you let me in the comments box, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.